welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Why I just smacked, I don't know. But anyways, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys some wigs that I just purchased from Aliexpress, and they just came in and I'm excited. And I thought about why not share these with my fam. So yeah, that is what today's video is going to be about. If you're interested in this video, please continue to watch. But first, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every day up until Christmas, and you don't want to miss anything. Now let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, excuse my hair and its camera get a little blurry. This was a last minute video. I thought, like, why not show them this video or these wigs? So yeah, it's a last minute thing. Also, if you don't eat these little balls of sugar that we should not be eating, that aren't healthy but they taste amazing, you missing out. You missing out. That's all I gotta say. So I don't know right off the top of my head where I got these wigs from, but I do know I said, and I believe I said this in a previous video, that I do want to bring more wig installs. So this is what the bag looks like. I do want to bring more wig installs, so I have been purchasing more wigs so that I can do more installs, and I can also link wigs down below for you guys to try out. But I don't know right off the top of my head where I got these wigs from, so whenever I drop the wig install video, I will make sure I have the link in there. Okay, so this particular wig came with a wig cap, and this is a 10-inch bob. So I wanted a regular black bob, kind of like the headband wig I have on right now. And it is a T-part, so it has a middle part, kind of like my other wig install that I did, my holiday wig install. If you hadn't checked that out, go ahead and check that out. I will have the card up above, but this is like one of those, except for I think it's going to be even more simple because it is a 4x4, see right there, and then it's middle part like I said, and it is 10 inches. I've been on the hunt to like find a bob that is like here length, not way up here because my face is kind of round, but here length, and I'm hoping she is the one, you know. I'm hoping she give me what I'm looking for. Okay, so that is that one. Also, that is 100% human hair, and I'm pretty sure it is 150 density. Let me see what if it says anything on the bag. No, it just says 4x1. So that's the bag it came in. The next one also came in a cute little pink bag. So with this particular wig, I have been on the hunt to find a ginger wig, but I didn't want anything that looked orange. I wanted like a chocolate, maybe chocolate gingery color. So I've been on the hunt to find a ginger wig, and so that is what is next. Here she is. She is a bob also. It is a T-part as well. I don't know why I got so many T-part wigs. I think I'm feeling middle parts right now. This is what it looks like in the inside, and it's 13x4, of course. But I think this would be pretty on my skin tone. It's not orangey like I thought it would be. I may throw a rinse on it just to kill some of the shine out of it. I don't know. We'll see how it looks, but I'll be bringing this one to you guys soon as well. And that one, I'm trying to think if it came with anything. I don't think it came with anything. Nope, it did not. Came with this one is by Doris. And it's got like their information on there. You get $5 cash back if you leave a 5-star rating, but they didn't give me any goodies. I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, and then this is the last wig, and it is like a natural hair wig. So it's supposed to be curly, like natural hair. I wanted a throw and go wig. So yeah, it came with tattoos. and a wig cap. Yeah, I wanted a throw-and-go wig that didn't look like a wig, that could kind of still give me natural hair vibes. So I'm hoping this is what it looks like. This can do that for me. So far, the curls on it are really pretty. Oh, it also came with some earrings. So the earrings was kind of tucked off within the wig, but it came with some hoops. But this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure it is a synthetic wig. It's got a little bang right there too. But it's supposed to give you natural hair vibes. I don't know. But I am excited to try it. I could actually probably try some of these on, but they will require me taking this off. I do have a wig cap on, but nah, we're gonna save that for another video. That's what we're gonna save that for another video. But I'm interested to see how this looks because it's long in the back and it's got the little bang in the front. I'm interested to see how that looks. But those are the 3 wigs that I bought. I bought them during Aliexpress's Black Friday sale. And so I got all 3 of them for like 150 bucks. I will make sure I have the prices and the links for you guys. But I bought them during that Black Friday sale. It actually took like 2 or 3 weeks for me to get them. Originally it was supposed to take a week because I had planned on doing like some wig installs with them for VLOGMAS, but we are too far gone in VLOGMAS now for me to be doing that, so I'm just gonna probably just do a wig install video. But I purchased them then, like I said, for VLOGMAS, and I've been on the search or the hunt for different type of bobs. I want to bring different styles to the channel, so that's something I want to work on. So when my packages came in today, I was like, why not do a video about this? Why not do an unboxing or an unbagging, because they technically did not come in boxes. But anyways, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys are enjoying VLOGMAS this far. Hope y'all are enjoying the holidays, Christmas. How's everybody doing? Check in down below and let me know how you're doing. Let me know what you plan on doing for Christmas. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a heart down below. As always, thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you in my next one.